Alright, live stream has started.
Stop it, and there's a laser which sometimes works. depending on where you're going to put it.
So the other thing I want, did he tell you that when you put this in, don't put the jaws on
Oh yeah, the jaws
threads.
have to be.
So let
Off
it
the
down
top.
just a
Yeah.
little bit. Let it down.
It's just like
a
right on the edge of it, so it might be that.
No, let it down a little bit. Yeah, you're right there. Oops. Let it go. Okay, right there. So the other thing is when you tighten it, you have to tighten on all holes.
Yeah.
Tighten it, tighten it, tighten it. Because what happens is that the jaw just pull, when you tighten there are 3 fingers. One finger goes down, so you want to make sure all 3 fingers go down.
Yeah.
And each one of those holes
And this
makes a finger go down. Okay?
is pretty simple. Yeah, just make sure you have this clamped.
This one.
This turns. You just go like this. Focus to it.
Like, you know Kevin won his first Fortnite game?
Oh, that you guys played?
No, he like won a solo for himself.
Oh, I haven't yet to ever win a soloist. So,
It's interesting.
what did you say was easy?
No, I was watching him, I was like, guys,
Someone's here with their bike, and it's
that's
Cheeto.
Geo.
Are you gonna go to Newman's first? Are you gonna go to Newman's first?
Should I have it on the edge, like this?
What do you mean?
So
You should have on your safety glasses.
Oh,
I'll put some on.
if you're gonna drill here, put it here.
Clamp it there.
Yeah, that way it doesn't push this down.
And look,
Safety glasses are right here.
let me explain something to you. When you drilling as well, if you're going all the way through,
Yeah.
you see that hole there?
True.
That's from the drill hitting this part.
Kevin won his first
So if you're going all the way through, you want to mount it to a position
Like the middle.
where this is in the middle, like that. Okay? Are you going all the way through?
Yeah.
And always make sure, loosen it up, that this is flat, because sometimes you might clamp it and it's up.
Yeah.
Okay? Go ahead. Tighten it up. And then you want to just, before you even drill, just make sure that you're going down to the right side, the right spot. What? Just take a deep breath and hold it.
Everything is fine.
Yeah, that's what
It's my Chinese face, man.
So, where's this off? And some.
Huh? For what? I cut this off already.
Oh, you're right, that is all that matters. Yeah. Go ahead. Let's do that.
You might want to put one of the.
Oh, no, yeah, these four for the cannon.
I saw someone with a bike, and they were pedaling their hands. It's interesting.
Were they upside down?
No, like, the bike is meant to pedal with your hands instead of
Yeah, Yeah, I've seen types.
It's like a tricycle.
Remember that weird one we saw on the beach?
Which one?
You remember, like, he was basically sitting down like that, and his legs were like,
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
The like looking down.
yeah. That was an interesting one. You have to draw all these holes to quarter size. Do you have the drill anywhere, or?
They're all made. I think the red one has what you want. I'm not sure.
Yep, it does. I can just use that. If this even takes that type of battery.
No, it takes some of the Milwaukee.
This one.
Good.
Why is this battery so big? Very good. Isn't the one I wanted to draw originally, but who cares? I'm gonna have to draw all these anyways, so I have to do a lot more 8-inch shafts than I thought. I have to do more 8-inch shafts. Also, I did 6 of these 8-inch shafts. Where did the other one go?
I told Anna that there's 6, and he just put on 5, and I was like,
These are for the cannons.
apparently he literally had like makes chassis for Formula 1 cars, but he can't build this.
I feel bad. You're suffering.
He's catting it.
No, it's probably breaking.
Very real close.
Thank you. That'll work. So,
Well, it's quite tested.
this is literally perfect. This is literally perfect. Look at how flush it is on both ends almost. Okay, that part is kind of, but look at that. Look at the inside. It's so good.
So it doesn't work.
Let's hope it doesn't work. Okay, you're
No,
fired.
until it doesn't work. So what did you guys do something with it?
Yeah, Aussie did too.
Oh, he's like whatever senior or something, right?
I don't know, it's weird shirt stuff.
Oh, the senior thing that can give the shirts over it.
I don't know, something. I forgot if this is good or bad. I think it was bad, so I think if I just... Oh, that's so bad.
out your spacing. I would put something, clamp or something here. So that a fence, clamp a fence there.
Mr. Derek, how much do you think it could off to test?
What?
To test this.
Hang on a second.
I'm looking at a video you see. Hold on.
So actually, let me just measure it. So that is 1, 2, 3 eighths. Five weeks. 1 and 5 weeks. So basically, I was thinking of that's not enough. Give me a 2 by 1. Let me just here.
Apparently the new girl can't come. That's what Austin said.
Give me 2 clamps.
Oh, which type?
Those clamps up there. Yeah. Oh, the other one. Swing it around. So don't put it
How about this one?
same way.
Like this side?
Exactly.
Simple second because there's a giant box here. Unless you
Turn it upside down. Turn it upside down. Make sure it's sitting flat. Make sure this is sitting. It might be a little crooked on the other side. It might be grabbing something.
it is a little crooked. Alright.
Hello, sir. What's up?
I'm here for the. Yeah, he's one of the guys.
Okay. Let me saw here.
Yes, I mean.
All right. So I want this to be flush. So what I'm seeing here is that this is not. This might be a little crooked.
What do you mean?
So okay, so let's do this,
Got it.
and let's make sure that we got one end. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. So this part is out too much. Let me line it up, and then we can. Yeah, so I want it flush.
Yeah. So you can just do that.
Right, there you go.
If you turn it around this way. Yep.
Right there, this side. Right to this side. So that's your.
Alright, so yeah, I'll do that and maybe you could
Put
show
on your safety glasses. So hey, welcome to engineering. This is our temporary lab. So you can see that we have a lot of stuff, right?
Yeah.
And this is the classroom.
How are we gonna do this? 'Cause this guy was literally using this to weld the bumper together. This is for like bumpers.
I don't know, dude.
Like just a car bumper.
Figure it out, you got this.
So, Jazz is supposed to come, Jazz Murray is supposed to come in.
Office said she'd be here by 3. That's 3:10.
I think they're doing the things that they're getting out.
I know. She said it'd take like 30 minutes.
So, I don't know if you have seen our website, but this is one of our own robots. This is
Someone would be cutting this.
Mechanized drive robot.
I think it'd be better if I cut it like this. I'm gonna start. This is gonna be very loud.
Was it because of the configuration of the wheels?
I'm gonna get my headphones.
Not only that, you can go forward, backward. You can actually go side to side, or you can turn and go forward, backward.
Hey, Mr. Derek, it's gonna get loud. So,
Okay.
They're arriving.
huh?
They're arriving.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Aussie and Gio. Okay.
Mr. Derek.
That was very
So how much should I cut off?
That we don't know yet.
No, I'm going to test it.
Oh,
To test. How much?
so just cut off a strip.
Throw that out. Garbage can. Throw the little piece out. The little piece that you have in your.
Yeah, I'm trying to find the trash can.
Okay, so the next thing you're gonna cut is
The length of it.
Not only that, but you need to cut this off.
Oh, right.
Mr.
You
Derek.
need to cut off.
So what we could do is move this.
Yeah, exactly.
Can I get an X-Acto knife, Mr. Derek?
Yes. So you can cut it off either this way. I would think maybe this way would be best, or this way. I'm not sure. I would say this way. And then cut it in better, this way or this way? I'm not
I
sure.
prefer this one. So I could have something like that. Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Here's Steven Bill.
I'm playing Geo.
Me too. Gio. Kevin won his first Fortnite.
You look so funny right now.
He won his first victory right now.
He did a solos and won it.
Oh my god, we're
You
really
look so funny right now.
Why?
You do.
I just do.
Yeah. There's gonna be a picture of you after today. True, Andy?
True.
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 I don't know how to tell if this is equal. This is stupid. Of course I moved it. I blame Bingus.
No. It's blocked with.
Here we have Steven. Say hi.
Hey, I'm
I
studying
saw
right
him.
now.
I saw him before. I've seen him.
What
Yeah.
size are you? Still have. What size are you?
Like shirt? I fell.
Yes, you
It's just
Yeah. Right now I'm just cutting plates to connect to the can.
Yes, our shop is fairly small this year. Normally it's a lot bigger. It's not this year though. Right, so we have our bandsaw there, our drill press there, our robot, the M3PL. We voted on it last
a lot of
year.
wires.
Yeah, that's my mess. That's a temporary mess, but it works, I hope. So yeah, that is our beautiful robot. Here are our tool chests. You'll learn what each of those individually are. That's a picture of our old team captain.
Oh, I know.
You know him?
I had him last game.
Oh, right. It feels like so long ago. I feel like I haven't been to school forever. Okay. This is our trophy. Slash
It's gonna get loud again.
trinkets case. True.
Close enough.
And then our battery card. So if you're gonna be in the pits next year, you gotta learn how to do this. So you gotta learn how to check the batteries and how much charge it has. It's easy, but it's hard at the same time because if you get it wrong, then like you adjust for the entire batch. So if you're in charge of that, make sure you do it properly. No pressure. So yeah, here's your battery card. Is it on right? Yeah, so check it like this, or if you like this. That, it does nothing like that. So give it all up. Sure it's not there. It's pretty much a job. I don't know how much.
He said it's a temporary shop?
No.
Oh, he said this is a temporary shop.
That's
tack it 4 tacks,
Okay.
and then you drill through all the holes and maybe drill.
Wait, sorry, what was the first thing you said?
Okay, so you want to tack it on, tack the hood to the cannon by using 4 holes. So I would line up maybe 2 pin holes on the hood, tack that first, right? Then drill the holes for your cannon.
So we
Then tack
normally
this on,
separated
4, and then
programming, build, design.
it would be better if we.
We don't even have to mark up.
on the website.
No,
So like
I'm
beginning,
saying,
information.
well, you need at least maybe
You need to mark
4 on each side.
You need to mark 2 on each side. Then
You need to have
Well,
4 on
what
top,
do you
4 on the
think
bottom, at least.
The whole programming aspect.
least.
Right.
Yeah, no, I'm just getting an idea of how to do this.
Build, they handle electrical and like assembly. Design,
Yeah, I
they
got it.
actually
Let me
design
follow
what
them
a
first.
restaurant would like before they put it together. And then business, they cover everything financial wise, sponsor wise.
I think either programming or design.
Alright, we definitely always need more of those. Everyone wants to do those, so design and programming, we have a lot of like maybe
Tomorrow at 7 p.m. there's a webinar from First about the elevator speech.
the 2-minute elevator pitch.
And I just posted it in the captain's chat. So I'd like if you guys, captains, to get on that call. That way, because that way, whoever, we need to figure out who's going to present when we get called to the second stage. Because we are going to the second stage.
We are?
I just want you to know. Don't frown up.
Oh, okay.
We are.
Okay,
We're in this to win it, right?
Manifest, yes.
Good. We
You're
are.
right.
We are moving to the second stage.
Is this about the innovation?
Yeah.
And I'm talking about both challenges. Why are you shaking your head, Steven?
I don't like that.
Manifest,
I don't like that
Steven.
challenge.
Manifest.
I don't like that challenge.
Steven, you're part of the team. I'm
I
sorry.
know
You
it.
have to be a part. You have to be on board. We call Steven, we need your help.
Yeah.
You have to jump on board, alright?
Yeah.
But for now, just concentrate on what you do. And let's go do the innovation challenge. Because we need to start. We need to start. Time is a ticking. Okay, let's go.
We just finished talking about a couple things.
You got 2 minutes.
Okay. Andy, he's interested in possibly programming.
Programming.
Yeah. So, no, yes, you. He's interested in possibly programming. That's not the
So,
whole
do you have to know anything about programming?
You don't have to.
Code together? Yeah, coding.
I've been like I don't be doing the VRX thing, but
Necessary.
Are you a freshman or sophomore? Sophomore. So, what you should do too is like learn programming, like coding. And if you want, next year, you could sign up for computer science principles.
I already did a specifically.
So,
I don't know if you were
So,
I didn't even notice that.
programming is basically
That makes it.
it deals with how these motors basically interact, or these motor controllers interact with motors, and how you can manipulate them to like just move everything. So like this one motor controller would control a motor right here that moves like basically this front wheel, and then this one would do it like for back. And so you can assign it values on like code and like turn on or off, and basically like if you have these two. If these two are like opposite sides on, you make it determined. So it's just like manipulating stuff, basically. And if you want to learn coding, there's this website called HackerRank, and it's just like competitive programming, but you could just learn, like there's like these lessons they have, like you just do these challenges to learn the basics of any language. You code in
I
Java,
probably did it in 9th grade, but I don't care
you
about
could
it.
pretty much do it in anything if you just know it.
Oh,
Hacker Ring?
well, I don't even know if I heard you correctly.
As much as I hated it, coding that is really good.
What?
Coding that.
I've never.
Really? For CSA, Misfits it is.
No, it's different for me. That lasted a year and a half.
Codingbat.org. Like BAT, coding
Like,
bat.
so if you just want to learn programming in general, HackerRank is this like competitive programming, compete in like competitions and stuff. But you really can't show any programming now because it might break.
If you have any programming questions though,
Yeah.
like him, his name's Andy Million, and Tanner, those two. Any questions?
And
I want to put you on hold,
Kevin, Gio,
and I want you to help out.
So anything related
Help us
to
out
sausage,
coming
just
up with
text me.
the
Like, hey, you know,
verbiage
like, I
for
started this
the
code, but I don't really know what's wrong with it.
innovation
Can you help me?
challenge.
They'll be there. And then in terms of design,
I want you to help us over
students
here.
with class, right? So it's basically that, just this.
like I don't know how to explain programming like more because it's interesting to explain if you don't.
Aeon
have
should be
code.
coming, right? He's not? Well,
In terms of electronics, I like to consider myself the bridge between them and them. So between programming and building. Because I can work with them in terms of which motor controllers go where, but I also have to work with them to find out where the placing is. So. You're gonna have to get used to the vernacular of the shop. Because we have a lot of names for things that
Especially all the tools.
all the tools, we have a Wago, which is really just a black
everything is
screwdriver.
new, so then I have to get
Yeah.
The T sets. Self-explanatory because they literally.
Yeah, they look like
Ts.
these. But there's like vampires there.
Oh, it's
Come on, sorry.
not the floor.
Oh, no, where?
Hardware.
Oh. So like this thingy over here, this is a vampire slayer. It's actually called a scratch all, but we call it a vampire slayer. It is! I looked it up. It's called a scratch all, and I never found that out. But other people call it a punch, but vampire slayer.
Not nonsense.
Yeah, she's lying.
Yeah,
I
it's
looked it up.
fake
It's called a
news.
scratch all.
Yeah, she's lying.
It could be forever to find too, like the punchy thing.
That's what's better.
But yeah, there's just definitely a whole bunch of tiny things. The more that you come into the shop, the more that we'll be able to teach you. So yeah, I think Consider wants us to work on the innovation challenge. You know about it, right?
Innovation challenge?
The innovation challenge. We talked about it in a couple of meetings. So.
Yeah, this is solid. This is impossible to do.
What?
This is impossible. Solid. Without just burning it all.
Well, let me know when you figured it out. Don't burn yourself though.
No, I think that'd be
It's easy, right? Look at that.
This is the closest I got to soldering something.
Okay, then that'll be the inside. And no one will see it. Hey. Yeah, I should really take one of my headphones out because you guys are talking a lot to me. I need to take a picture of Gio. Gio looks so funny today. He looks kind of like really ugly. I didn't make me insecure about him. Right? He said yes.
Yeah. You know what I saw? You know what Tan's doing?
What?
He's playing Fortnite with Kevin.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I saw Discord. Kevin's still playing. He has someone on his team. So I assume
Big stupid, big stupid. Is it time to spam call Taeyeon?
he's playing programming. But I never said that. He never
Time
said
to
yes.
out him out.
He he never said he was coming to robotics. So.
He's always slick like that. Alright, this is gonna be my strap.
Andy, you're his mentor today.
I'm his mentor?
Yes. So hey, Andy.
So I really don't know what to tell you to do. But I'm working on like soldering these two pieces together. Because we need to do it for the cannon. It's gonna have like two pulleys and they're gonna spin a ball up there. But I really can't do that. But before I was working on this robot, I put in this piece of aluminum onto here, then putting those motors on.
These?
Yeah, no, the other ones on here, then making it work. So on the one this, I really don't know.
So like the way you program it, is there like a software that you use?
Yeah, usually like every year they like release a new like suite. It's like a programming suite, and it's usually like goes through either C++ or Java. I think some teams use Python, but it's rare. There's no plus Python. But yeah, they release a suite. Usually, like every year, you have to update everything. This is a Roboria, which is it's like the CPU of the, like where all the code is stored is in here, and this is what gives it like everything. Like tells what like the motors to do the
instructions,
yeah.
where to put it on.
It's basically the computer of the robot, and then it's connected to this.
Basically, this is the DNA of the
Yeah, basically. And like everything just
what is this?
that's the radio. So right here, like usually you connect this using like a printer cable to here on your computer or your laptop. But that gets annoying and you really can't do anything. So what this is connecting the internet to this. And basically it just allows you to go wirelessly connect. And then everything basically connected to here. So pretty sure that there's these wires, these yellow and green ones. They're called CAN wires, and they basically just they're for like sensors. So it basically goes all around the robot, like from motor controller to motor controller. Basically, it's like, it makes it all interlinked. And so there's like these buses, called CAN buses, which is how you connect one motor to another one. And basically it goes from it starts from here on and ends at the Roboria. So it goes through everything. And basically this connects all the code. This is a PDP, power distribution port. And this is connected to the switch, which is where the battery, or where you turn on the robot. So you would turn it on by pushing the stand, and the robot would be on. So you would put like the battery, this is the battery holder for this robot. You plug it in and you click the snap. Now everything stops. It starts like turning on, and like it takes a while for everything to link up. But yeah, and then this light you need on every robot. It's called the RSL, but for competition you need it on the robot to know that it's on. And if you don't have it, you can't compete. So it's always in like a noticeable place. like for this one, it was somewhat tricky. So it's like it has to be on the robot in a visible spot. You can, but I don't know what. Gio, can you bring your laptop? Can you bring your laptop? Thank you. This is run by a laptop. So you can see everything's connected. There's like these, their spark mags are connected to these motors. They're called Neos, and they're just like basically like main motors you use on a robot. And these are there's like different types of motor controllers depending on what you want to do. These are for like the smaller motors like this. Like these are called they're Telem SRX. And so yeah, they're connected to this. That power this to move like this. Stuff right now. But that's how I can show you. Oh, and then there's like on some robots you need pneumatic systems. So this is like air tanks that you like that these pistons are using. And there's little like mini pistons right here on this side and this side, which shift the gears for the robot. So just like they go to low gear, high gear, and high gear being like it spins faster, and low gear getting an increased torque, so it spins slower, but it gets like more power output, and it collects all the air from this compressor up front. It's gonna be moved, but it's safe now. And then this, never look at it from the front, literally blinds you. But this is like, it's like it's a camera that looks at reflexive tape and it gives you like outputs back. So say there's like a piece of like, not this tape, but there's like a special type of tape that on the field it always has. So that's how you know how to move a robot. So this would, to make a robot autonomous, so this, like you have no inputs at all, it's just a computer running it by itself. So a lot of teams do that. We have yet to successfully do it, but it's because COVID hit last year, so we didn't have time. So basically, this is just like a camera. That's about it.
If I have any question, I'll just ask.
Go over like the tools and stuff.
That's a lot of tools.
These are just like L wrenches, like L bracket, like this L, right?
Yeah, alright.
Allen keys. The Allen keys are basically like the same as this.
Or Allen wrench.
Some places are harder to get to, so you use this. Get to fixed spaces, like that. But you basically have the same things. You can see like what type of it is right there. You see like it says like 332. There's different types of values for all of them. And so like some like screws need them, some don't. Either drill bits sticking up to the drills, the drill holes. We have the right to get there. It's possible. There's more in there. snips right here. We use these a lot because we zip tie stuff. So as you can see, like all of this is zip tied. So we need snips to cut those zip ties like efficiently.
So you guys use a lot of zip ties.
To like manage the wires. And there are downfall this year because we accidentally cut a wire for a motor and then we have to repair it. So these are. I think these are clippers. This is a wire cutter. It's another wire cutter. Just for some keys to open it. Some things like for like this is like so tightly put. There's like little holes that you can extend this all to open it.
Those are files.
Files.
Yeah, those are wooden ones, and the metal one that I have is the gray one.
You can tell these are wooden ones because the handles are like wooden. So that's all you can classify them.
No, those are the wooden ones. These bigger ones. These
are what
ones,
Derek
tiny
explains to me.
I don't know, but he explained that differently to me. The bigger ones for sure aren't metal. The ones with bigger grinds.
Yeah, but these are good. It's like sand, like stuff we drill down to like be even, not like cause it if you touch it, like literally stops. So you just sand stuff down off the time. But the drill presses sort of like holes, so I can actually do that now. So when I want to make holes, we mark things. Yeah. Safety glasses or any type glasses. But for this, we use it to like just drill holes on like aluminum to like kind of fit. Otherwise, we just use a drill.
Should I wear one?
Yeah, your own glasses. You have glasses on there if you want. I think you just go over your glasses. You just sling it up. put them on there to show you. You want to draw on this line for its all even.
Oh, okay.
So if that was like a general reference, so I've got the safety glasses.
I took the drill by the way.
Pull this and it turns on?
Yeah. Hold that. Slowly. No. This is barely touching the edge. Almost. Yeah. This is my phone. This is barely touching the edge, so I was making that sound. Now it should be
So I just let it go.
let's go down again. still have more.
It was a pack of 48. Okay.
You not bring like 48 last time?
No, I only brought half of it last time. Do you want some?
No, I'm good.
Please take some. It was a pack of 48 and it was barely a little over half. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Not you. The one behind you.
Wow, you didn't even offer me any.
You said not to.
I know.
And after this is done, I can show you how to program it. It's going to be part of the
What is the workshop?
You usually come here Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. So, because that's how I learned how to program and build it.
I can make
It's still not home.
It's gonna be very interesting. I'm gonna need you to hold this like this. Somehow I need to like put these two together like that while I drill. Abstract. I'm just gonna drill right. Right.
No, not that.
If I do it too close here, it's too close here. If I do it there, it's too close there.
No, that's too close to that.
It's close to both edges. We don't like drill. We're drilling. Huh? In that white box with the drill bits. No, it's not that one. It's not that one.
You need the quarter one. It's a quarter one.
You said you need a quarter?
Pretty sure.
A quarter's that one.
I don't think that's this one. This one.
No, it was okay.
I'm so lost. What is happening? No, but that wasn't the same drill.
I know you were using the one that I pointed to like 2 minutes ago.
Oh.
Alright, Andy, real quick.
Why are you thinking different?
Because that one's weaker for some random reason. Good luck drilling with it. So you're gonna come like other days?
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna come like 2 days. Is this Friday?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll
Okay. So, yeah, I'll try and get this one prepared for programming by Friday. For now, can you just screw this in the other way around? So, like, this part is down here, and then that on the other part.
Did you show them whether or not it's fine?
It's somewhere.
Did you get them?
So just put this side on here. The left view is, so we're gonna take this off because it's supposed to
He
be.
wants to put the head on this side.
Yeah, so it's the head. It's
So you have to unscrew it. Alright.
oh, there.
I'll get someone else to do it.
No.
No, you can show. There's enough people today, I think.
So, also, that side.
Well, because they can't crack you.
Yeah. Did you? Okay, good. Okay, I thought you dropped a few. Alright, you're gonna do it again. You're gonna have to put
That's
one here this time.
like this is
So you're gonna hold here, just in case. See how that works? Not yet. that and go like that. It works fine. So now I'm just gonna duplicate it with the other bracket that's here somewhere. Yeah, there you go. I'm just gonna use the drill press and just copy it. And then drill it here.
Sohaib, you know what you could do for me? See those tools? I want you to familiarize yourself with where we keep the tools. So we keep the tools in different places. Watch out for that. So drawers here, and here. And power tools, I keep power tools either down here in that black bin over there. The drills go in that bag over here. Okay. So just open up the drawers. You know what tools? You know what tools are, right?
Yeah.
You have used tools before,
Yeah.
right? Okay, good.
I was just using this one for them.
Okay, so
Yeah, Andy just went through all the tools with them.
okay, go through these drawers so you see where they are, so that one of the very important things is that we always put the tools away when we're done.
Yeah, I showed him where like what the tools are and where they are.
Okay, you showed you where all the tools. Okay, good.
Yeah, so usually at the end of the day, we put all that.
put these away.
Yeah. So at the end of the day, we put all the tools here to spray down. That we use.
Okay.
So we can stay safe.
Oh, makes sense. Hopefully this works. Andy, I'm doing duplication glitch. Yeah, maybe. Whoa.
I think it's up. that's the live stream we have on.
Where's the camera? Oh, wow.
Yeah. That's a T. So
Call it what?
a T, because this looks like a T.
Yeah, well, like what's the active?
I think Allen, not 100% sure, but you just say T, but everyone refers to it as a. Usually they come like a whole set like that. And then those gray ones, they're in like, I think millimeters if you look at them, like the thing.
Oh yeah, it says millimeters.
And the other ones are in inches.
So how do you know which one to use and when to use?
Usually, like, you have all like the screws holding it, so they pretty much come with like the same like T like something, like the same.
Oh, so each two has different
Yeah, like it isn't a size. So like these are different size, but like the same screws. The same screws use it's half yet.
No, I just think it's really useful in my drill two of these holes and then see how it's going to go line up with the screws. Oh, that's right, you're doing that. Okay. I guess you should watch a little bit. So right now, we're trying to line the trigger. In order to make sure that this side is correct, when I drill the holes, I have to place everything else on first. So right now I'm putting all these screws this and that will have to put it there. So it's taking longer than I expected. But really every job is
Why do you have the Spanish subject test book?
I don't know. Apparently, I gave it to Caitlin last year.
Oh, you probably do.
Yeah, I don't remember that. You want that? No, just. Oh, no, that's so wrong. There we go. That should be better. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. And you can use this one here. You can use about this.
So we're going to we need to do this, right? We need to put this.
It's the same. It's smooth.
So
Yeah, so this one, so it'll fit like that. But yeah, C3
Just like in a cut panel, so you see. fine.
No, that's
Stuff. If you get smooth. But,
How about if we just some aluminum with a torch, right? And
Eddie scrolled down
press
with
this
carbon.
gently aluminum, like this
Doesn't
will
have to touch the whole thing.
so it's easier to
Let me
So,
You have to cross it over. You have to like cross it. Like this part, you have to put it back, go keep crossing it, just move it out.
So my suggestion, instead of holding it, maybe you clamp it. Here, you have some clamps here. And I would maybe just run two of the blocks so it's straight. There you go.
Yes.
Two things. One, can you please log into your computer? And two, well, into the
maybe the rest of this is, let me get more of it. Oh, one of the nuts doesn't work, just so you know. You know if it doesn't work, if it's like almost impossible to screw it in place. That means it's the wrong side. Okay, so I'll go last. Before that we're in. I'll be back. Andy, were you
still melted, right? So
Yeah.
You can melt them.
So the next step is
So this is what I'm thinking.
You heat this entire thing.
we're gonna do is we're gonna
No.
flip it.
No. We heat the entire thing up. We heat this up. And then we take this and we go like this.
So that all the edges get melted.
So the edges are melted and we kind of just put it together like this.
And then after you just take off that stuff.
And we can take off the extra. So the idea is
So you're
not
not
to
going
go
to
under with the flow through. I don't know if it will be enough. But what we need to do is make 2 pieces of wood. And we're going to do that right now.
With each board, let me know, because then I'm gonna be grilling the bottom ones.
This is the piece of tape. Just clean that out, throw it in the garbage.
You have what?
Okay, Andy, I'm going to ask that you stand up and stand to the side so we can do this together.
This one?
Put this back in the case.
No, it's not. I don't see it there. Unless you like hit it really well. Really? Wait.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this up here. Alright?
Nothing.
So let's try with that first. See how we can melt back the tools, right?
Yeah. Just do the last one.
So like grease me up.
This is very hot, so we're not touching this, right? So get pour these to a certain way. What you're going to do is just press the 2 edges on, and you're going to put it together right over here.
These are the nuts you're using, right?
And throw that over.
Yep.
So really concentrate on how you're going to touch these 2 ends to this. I would say leave it on for maybe a second, not a second, maybe about 5 seconds. Just look, observe how it
See
is
how much it
melting, and then we'll put it over here and okay, let's try that. Go ahead. Okay, we got melted. Okay, put it down flat. Put it flat and we'll just hold it together.
that's the welding. Oh, they're welding. Polyurethane. Wow.
It's gonna work. You need to somehow do it both sides simultaneously. Because like you got the bottom side, like kind of like go on stuff, but as soon as you got it off, it just all it was stuck to here a little bit.
Okay, so we need to maybe put it on a piece of paper or something, so it doesn't stick to the.
So you just get it like this and maybe somehow heat up the top too. It was only the bottom that we got.
No, but we only heated up the edge.
Yeah, but the bottom, because since we were pushing it, it all went to the bottom. Like we were pushing nothing at the top looked like it was merging. So it's just like this very like thin does like sticky.
Well, the other thing. Okay, the other thing we could do is something like this. Here's what we could do. We could just
Okay, then that's probably the wrong one. So try this one. How do I think it happen? Never force it in. If you see that it's not going fully, it's done.
So I'm going to heat up both sides here. I'm going to put this like here. You can put this like dense here like that.
You can just hold this down and see how both sides
And what I'll lift this and you'll just slide this in. Okay? That's right. This, do me a favor, cut this off. Cut off the very edge. You have a scissor? Is there a scissor
Yeah,
here?
I need to use the
Exacto knife wouldn't, the scissor wouldn't work?
snap sharpener.
You got it?
What?
Did you get it to work?
They're using a different strategy.
All right, let's do this again.
So make an extensive
What?
like he's making an extensive. Is it not the same?
I'm only heating up the edge, the bottom edge. So the heat will take a very long time to, yeah, and for the heat to climb up over there, it's not going to be a big deal.
It doesn't like this. Because like that part.
Okay.
the clamp, but it's not really tightening that well.
Okay, just give me a second.
It's not something we need to do right now. It's just something I'm doing wrong. Let's go with this. Okay, by the way, I forgot. Sorry. Sorry, tell me what.
Would you find this?
Yeah, that's good. What's your name, brother? Okay, so now I'm going to be drilling these last holes. In order to do that right, I need you to hold these two down like that.
This up some more. I'm going to apply some.
On that one.
Yeah. Or actually, I'll hold it down and you can just drill it. I'll hold it. Thinking we're just going to be stamping these. I want to kind of file them before I they're good. I'm not planning on taking this apart afterwards. That's good enough. Now I need to put this screw here as a placeholder so that none of this even moves as much. Okay, could you give me the So I'm going to be holding it and you're going to be turning it. So you're just what you could do is just do it from this end. Alright, and you're just going to twist this way and then get it out and twist it again. So you can get it out and then place it again and then turn it. I'll be turning it apart.
Okay, good. Take this and take it to the sink and just
Put water in.
cool water, let cool water run in it for a little bit.
These two screws, they'll tighten. Even though those two are the loosest. Right here.
Well.
And you can see a clear space. If you look under, you see that there's a clear space.
Well, you know what is happening, I think? I think it has met the shoulder. So this might be a shoulder bolt. Yeah. And then if this screws are not
Almost do one more. Good. Now I can go the rest. And we can
how does it feel? Does it feel sturdy? Yeah.
That's without putting the other ones.
Okay.
So it's going to be good.
Now, do we want to use bolts or do we want to use rivets?
Bolts, I think is good. It's going to look weird with the rivets coming out of them. I think it's fine like that. I already went through the trouble of.
All right.
Pretty sturdy.
Okay. Yes.
We don't necessarily need to use that. We can just use the solder. I'll solder that open.
I think that would be the especially at the edge, to start it, to get the whole thing.
Start using that to limit some of the things to go to them. That's all you
Exactly. And I think that is what we need to get all of the hot enough so that at least the joint can catch right away.
Always put like the outer one
Could we
so everything's stable.
cut more? Say like that's 6 feet, right?
I don't know. What we will do is, when we mount it, we'll take a string, just run
We
around.
just got
What?
we can just get that and mark it.
No, the other thing is the stretchability of these systems.
Yeah, that's okay. I don't think it's that structured.
No, it's not stretching. But that's not a bad, well,
So maybe if we just somehow weld it on there, onto that
no, we cannot do that.
because that's getting it on is maybe interesting. If you want it tight, that's the only way.
No, we cannot go to them. We'll make it work.
So it's a matter of put it. We can put in the shafts, put them on the pulleys, and then put the shafts. It will work. It will work.
I'm a little worried because
Do you see
I
how
feel
like
like if this keeps stretching like
they
constant,
both look like a little
and
rounded, like
vibrate,
little U's? Yeah.
If it's right, we will
Like now you can try both and see which one skips less. Which we call those when it starts skipping, it's called skipping strip.
So yeah, this one. So 2 is fine. We're up from 1. That was seems to be the whole story.
the whole
But I only know how to do 2 brackets.
The whole
Yeah.
story motors.
I was trying to look up a
Okay.
better one.
That's better.
Roll one.
What about this one?
That one? That's do the whole story stuff.
We finishing that up, so we're leaving, or
In like 5 minutes,
let me know.
yeah. Okay.
Andy, are you still doing that? Okay, so I need you to Abe, is gonna finish with that, and then I need you to drill
The holes for this?
Yeah, so Derek wanted to put 2 holes first, right? On each side, you put 2 holes.
Should this be like this?
Ignore that.
No,
Just-
there's no.
yeah, we're gonna fix that. That's because there was a hub and everything was attached. So you're right. Yeah, we need to fix that. But anyways, you're gonna put on one side. Ignore the other side. You're gonna put 2. You're gonna drill 2 on that cannon. They're already marked.
Yeah.
I prefer the ones on the corner diagonally. So one on the top, one at the
Those two,
bottom.
then drill the other one.
And then you're gonna mount it, right? You're gonna put those super long screws that Derek knows, because I don't know which ones they are. You're gonna ask him. Gonna put them through, and then you're gonna see if the other ones are correct, and you're just gonna drill everything accordingly. So like, this is flush, and these are flush, which is very important. So what I suggest is that when you're gonna drill this, you're gonna put placeholder rivets or something here, and then put those 2. Okay.
Okay, where are we at?
I told him what to do to
So
drill
we-
these holes.
Drill the whole 2 holes.
Because I have to go in 5 minutes.
You're the-
Honestly, it's my ride. So it's,
Andy's your ride now. Andy can give you a ride home.
since the.
Come on, Steven. We need to get this. If we all leave early, what's gonna happen?
Oh,
We're
yeah.
not
I'll
gonna get
leave
it
early.
done.
can we meet up tomorrow?
I prefer no, because we have meetings tomorrow.
Well, we have a
Captain's meeting tomorrow. Can you leave with Andy? Can you give us maybe another half hour?
Sure.
Yeah?
You just go off.
Is it done?
Good, that's Steve.
Alright. So, let's see.
I'll get the mountain holes done over with so we can just focus on the shafts for this, and we need this other shaft right here.
So the ramp. Do we need to fix the ramp before we put this in?
You're on fire.
Do me a favor. See all this stuff, these shards? Get a hand broom. There's a hand broom somewhere around, and dust the garbage can. And oh, and you need to be initiated. We need to give you a broom.
No, why is the ramp way
Always. So you see how we have a lot of those
It's supposed to be
aluminum.
aligned because
Try and get that
it's supposed to
together.
be right there.
I need
So
rivets.
the brooms.
I
That's
need
the word that I
rivets.
have. It's not aligned with the state, that's the thing, that's why it's like that.
And also,
Yeah, but
we
we
need
need
to
rivets so
vacuum
that I
up
can
here.
actually mouse it.
I have a vacuum. It's right here. Okay? And we need to vacuum this up as well.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
It's not.
I'm keeping it.
That's okay. I heard he told me.
Okay.
Something like that. So, yeah. So we could try and see if the holes match through here.
I would say let's mount two holes first on this side,
Yeah.
lock it in, and then
Yeah.
see if we can drill straight through.
Yeah. That's
Why
right.
would-
At least do a pilot hole.
Mhm.
Why are we putting the rivets on then? Should we drill the holes first?
We need to put rivets so that this doesn't move around.
But how are we gonna, we're gonna drill through this hole?
We can. We don't have to though. All I need to see is make sure that this is aligned. If you can look through that hole and you see a pencil dot, then you know it's aligned. Basically.
Oh, see some, it's like, because I was trying to get that one rivet right.
That one, right?
Get the, we actually need a screw. Get the vampire slayer.
For that, yeah. Here.
Okay.
Does it match?
I haven't tried it yet.
No, it's not the right hole.
Well,
It's the one above.
oh, yes.
Wait, no, right here. Right here. Take it out somewhere. Okay, so
Yeah, that's where it's supposed to be.
okay. Come on, just put two holes. Just tap it.
Cannon is definitely tilted.
When you say tilted,
It's
what do
really-
you mean?
This is tilted, you can tell. Whoever did the holes did them weird. It won't affect much.
What do you mean it's tilted?
Can you see the space here and the space
Or
here?
if you're looking from here, Mr.
What space you
If you look
talking
from the
about?
front,
Look at the space from
it's
the
like
X. The space from the hex here and the space from the hex here. This thing is slanted at an angle that way. I mean, it doesn't matter much. Because programming can always fix it, right?
I mean, it's gonna be in place.
So, to me,
So it doesn't matter.
Exactly.
As long as it's in place, it's just,
to me, this can, you see how this turns? That can
we can
Well, we
fix
have
it.
to turn that this way.
Wait, don't look at the hexes on the bottom. Look at, for example, where it is now, and to me it's lining up perfect.
Yeah. it's
See how
probably
this
fine.
turns? So we can set it
Yeah,
however we
and
want.
we can base that off of the screw holes right here. Because the screw holes can
so-
hold it in place.
Come around here and give it a love tap so we can get those holes in.
Like we'll just get back over there. Just good.
So what did Olivia say? How is that going?
The lady, Olivia told her more about the physical therapy part because she's a physical therapist. But the lady said that part was good and that we should continue with it.
Which part?
Like the physical therapy
Uh-huh.
part. Like the moving and the gaming and the...
What did she say about the whole idea of the scan and the diagnosis and
Yeah, she said all of that was good.
all of that is good? Okay.
And that we should look into it.
All right. Just two. Just two.
Yeah, it just wasn't marking.
Yeah. Just make sure that you know which two you've done. So you're kind of going at an angle.
Yeah.
Okay. So drill those holes. Let's mount those screws and get on with it.
Isn't there a sign-in sheet?
Yes, right there. Make sure you sign
Put in
in.
my name.
Okay.
So what are the next steps?
You guys need to figure out the
So we gotta finish
We figured it out.
the executive summary.
Alright.
Okay, so do you need any help proceeding? Or can you let me know when to check it or?
I'm coming in tomorrow and Wednesday.
Okay. So we have a captain's meeting tomorrow.
Yes.
And we need to get it to a point where we can give it to Gio. And Gio can take a hold of it. And I'm saying that we need to get it to him by, I would say, when Gio. When is a good time to get it to you?
It's only 200 words in one.
Tomorrow.
Okay.
So you think we can wrap up everything tomorrow so he can have it? Yeah? Okay.
Mr. Derek, where are the screws?
Where the what?
The screws that you wanted me to use.
They're in that little,
In here.
they're in that little aluminum thing. Right there.
I don't know, so.
Right there, Andy. No, back up. They're long screws, those screws right there. Okay. Bye, Gio.
Are you heading out through the back or the front? Back, right?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna head out. Bye, Mr. Derek.
Okay.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.
Nice meeting you in person too. Have Sophie, Sohaib.
Thank you, Sohaib. We'll take care of the rest.
What are the bits?
Is this something that we should throw away or we can keep?
You can keep.
We can keep that.
It's like a band-aid.
I feel like
A
that.
Band-Aid?
Yeah. Anything after breaks. But
Yeah, that could be useful for something like
that's what we have to do in competition.
Save it as a Band-Aid.
Alright, so we have this, right? So let me just.
So,
Bye.
bye. So here's what we need to do. Then it actually goes the other way, but we're going to be taking it off.
I drilled it with a. I didn't think it was. I thought it was quarter. I drilled it with a 316.
Okay, so we need to drill it with a quarter. Also, we need to, after we have put it in, we need to get proper spacers. So I'm going to cut spacers. Do you remember the size that we had here?
No, it's in the CAD.
Remember these pieces that you have? Where are the orange pieces?
Don't know. I don't know what. Oh, they're right there.
Okay, so those orange pieces, do you remember the space that we had?
We had an extra bit of space, and I don't know how much that was. We never calculated it.
So this is the width, right?
I'd
It
say,
went in like this, right?
yeah, I'd say to be safe, add like an extra 16th to both. Or-
when those went in like on Friday, they seemed fine.
No.
Like
No, there was a spacing problem. Me and Derek checked it out twice. I say add like an extra 16th or maybe a little more to each space.
And then we can always cut it down.
Yeah.
How about we just add an 8?
Okay,
to
an 8 to each, and then we cut it down.
Cut it down.
So I'm gonna cut those now and we can go with that.
Alright. You're gonna be putting in the ribbons.
So that is 1 1/4. 1 1/4. And the 16.
No, just like a line. I can't see it.
There's no
okay. Oh. There. Right, keep on that. Kind of Okay, now that works. Wait. Yeah, it works. Yeah, wait, let's just keep that for now.
do you want nuts in it?
Hold on. I need to check the thing out. Mr. Derek, how are we doing this? We're doing it from the inside out, right? The screws.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So, not that that matters, because
You just need the whole.
yeah, we just need the holes for now. What's this one? That's pretty good, right? Push this button. Yeah, push that way. We can actually do this. Alright, keep it there. 'Cause I
That's
can
not
do
a
the-
line.
Actually, yeah, you're right. This one will put here just to be. Look at that.
Yeah.
And then
So I would say,
let me just do the last one.
no, here's what I'd like you to maybe do. I would like you to maybe lock in.
Different than.
We have to lock them in there.
Okay, well,
No.
go ahead. Go ahead, do what you're doing.
I mean, I've marked it, so.
Okay.
This. Oscar? How's that? There we go. We got these four. So I say what we do is we mount these just to drill the other ones.
Yeah. Do me a favor. Put two, the same two that you had. You're going to come in the other way. Come in the other way. No, right. Going through the bottom.
Yeah, keep on going. Wait. There.
Do your two diagonal ones.
Give me quarter nuts. And wait, so you want two diagonal ones coming this way?
No, the top one. Actually, no, the bottom one. You're right. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright. We're gonna need to see how much space is left on the other side now.
Okay, let me get it.
Okay, get me? I need the red one. The red wrench. I'm gonna do one by we're gonna need a two then. Sounds technical. No, that's the other one. Oh gosh, which way? Andy, don't spin
No,
there.
no, no. Look. Spin it this way. Don't crank it down too tight, okay? Right here. That's fine.
We're gonna do the other one. Yeah, push that one all the way.
Okay, just know that you're going to be taking this off again, right? Okay.
That looks good. Any spacing up? Okay. So we have these for now. I think this is strong enough. Hmm?
Are those things still in? Are the rivets still in?
Yeah.
Why don't you just
There's-
measure the distance between these two?
Let me cut another shaft and I'll tell you.
Alright, so
We'll
we're gonna
see.
be drilling the other.
Yeah, it's
if
gonna
our measurement is right.
because all the wires are in the way. So
Not for the bottom one. No. The bottom one. So I need you to drill that way. Get your first screws and start. And then those are your nuts. Also, this is very different from this one.
How does it look? Okay, so I might have to take off a little bit off of that one. Yeah. But you can go ahead and drill your holes.
Yeah.
And we can just space it after.
And no screws. There you go.
Yeah, barely.
What do you mean there? No, that's good.
If there's space in here.
No, there isn't. That's just a reflection.
Unplug that motor. Just unplug it.
Yeah, this one right here. Okay, so you're gonna do the diagonal one on your top. Not this one. You need to cut it.
So all the different size.
So that one
There you go.
almost there. There you go. This one down. There you go. A little higher. There you go. Okay, so final one. Alright. So all four are good. That enough won't work. Yeah, I realize. You got the big one.
Okay.
For now. So we have that done.
So before I even cut those anymore, I want to mount one side first and then make sure the other side is.
Yeah.
And then cut
So
it later.
You can cut
So-
two more of these.
I'm not cutting those yet. That is going to be the last thing we do because the mounting of that is the last thing we do, and then I'll
Yeah.
cut it. So the next step would
We
be.
don't need to take it out. We don't need to put it in. We were just mounting the holes, and now everything we know is fine. So, what we can do next is.
So here's the thing. You come in tomorrow? Are you coming in tomorrow?
Well, you said we can't meet tomorrow because the captain's meeting.
Well, we can meet, but question is, can we work? So the captain's meeting, I don't think is going to be too long.
You can just work and have like a headphone in.
It's going to be the same thing as. I'm just going to be saying the same thing in captain's. Just I'm going to be talking about the updates on the robot.
Okay, so it's up to you. If you want to come in tomorrow, you can, and we'll do some work tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll have to come in tomorrow.
Because what we need to do, I think, is to just finish up the cannon, the innards of the cannon.
If you come in tomorrow, we can probably finish it by Wednesday.
Yeah. Tomorrow, what I want to do is cut another one of these shafts because we need at least two,
And you need one here.
and we need one here. So there's going to be 3 8-inch shafts.
Can we not have one here?
Well, yeah.
We moved it to the front.
But
No,
had
we
six.
had 6. Did you find that one?
Thank you.
Okay, so while we are discussing that, let's start cleaning up.
So are we done for today?
I think we're pretty much done. Let's start cleaning up and just talk about what we're going to do. Okay?
Yeah, so just those 3 shafts. The shaft here for the wheel and the hood. Oh yeah, so this, and we can mount that real quick.
Yeah.
So just put,
Screw.
yeah, same size screw. So I actually have those in a bin. don't know why you. No, this. It was okay. I put another one.